Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Jeff. I am an artist based in the southwest of England. Now, I'm a pet portrait artist, but I paint my pet portraits with a little bit of a difference. Yeah, because I use spray cans or spray paint. Now, I know that I can quite comfortably sort of maybe paint a semi-photorealistic portrait of a dog on a canvas this size, okay? I know I can do that, yeah. I've been there and I've bought the t-shirt. I literally have bought the t-shirt, look. Here we go. Have you not got yours? Oh, you need to get in touch. Get in touch with me and I'll tell you how you can get one of these bad boys, yeah. Anyway, but what I want to know, right, we know that I can do something on this size. We know that. But what I really want to know is, can I paint a photorealistic dog on a postage stamp? No, you can't. What do you mean no? Well, because it's impossible. Well, what am I going to do then? Well, you could do your commission. I've got a commission? Yeah, you've got a commission from your superfan. What's a superfan? So superfan's what you get when you're an internationally famous YouTuber like you. You get like superfans, that people that are always commenting on your work, always giving you like the positive vibes and the energy. Yeah, superfan. Me? Oh, you've got a superfan called Keely. Hello. And Keely wants you to paint her cat and her dog. Yeah. Can I paint it on a postage stamp? No. On one of those little teeny tiny miniature canvases. Teeny tiny one? Yeah. Okay, all right, we'll do that. Okay. Join me on my journey while I paint Pig the Pug and Purdy the Puddy Cat for Keely, my super fan. Let's go. Okay, sketches are done. Now I just need to decide which one of these I'm going to paint first. I find cats a little bit harder to paint than dogs, so I think I'm going to start with Lady Purdy Meowington. Yeah, that's to give her a full title. Yeah, so Purdy's up first. Let's crack on with it. What's that you say? What have I learnt from doing this painting so far? Well, I will tell you. I have learnt that essentially I can't see. Yeah, I can't see what I'm doing. These paintings are so small that my eyes can't cope with it. Now, regular viewers to my channel will be aware that I wear glasses. Yes, but it seems that as powerful as these glasses are, and believe me, they're pretty powerful, I don't pay for my eye tests. That's how powerful these glasses are. They're not enough. For getting in really, really close. So at some point, I'm going to have to take a trip to an optician to maybe get some sort of, like, I don't know, split screen thing happening here. Because at the moment, I'm having to paint like this. Yes, so I bought these reading glasses from my local pound shop.
There once was a cat with a hungry belly. The name of the cat was Whiskers Jelly. His throat was dry and his paw was bare. Meow, me fairy cats meow.
And to be honest with you, they do a really good job. But the only problem is when I kind of sort of step back, everything is out of focus. And so it's a little bit kind of disconcerting when you're sort of going from one thing to another. But yeah, we do what we must. As Blackadder once said,
"It needs must when the devil vomits into your kettle."
Anyway, let's just get on with it. In theory, Jeff should be done, but we might have to go and wake him up before we can see how the paintings look. So let's go and do that. Have you finished?
Yeah.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Or shall we show them the final finished result?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you have enjoyed it. And thank you to Keely for commissioning me to paint her little pets. So yeah, there's only one thing left to do. Let's show you the final finished result. This is, well, it's Pig and Purdy.